Okay, so now I hate that I didn't record myself preparing this. Oh my gosh, I know it looks crazy, and it does. I agree. But guys, this is amazing. If you need to get your veggies in and you want to try something delicious, fantastic, healthy as all get out, look at that. Oh my gosh. You've got to try this. Let me know if you would like to see a video of me demonstrating this. I mean, it's really easy. I mean, it's nothing to it, but just to give you an idea of what type of veggies to use, let me know if you'd like to see a video, and I can do that, just a little quick video. And go into further detail about how you do this. But this is so freaking amazing, guys. I mean, it is amazing. Yeah, healthy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, let's taste it. All right, we're not here about how I look. We're here about the food. Anyway, let's taste it. Hey, anytime my husband talk about the aroma coming from the kitchen, you know you're on to something. Oh my God, this is slamming. Let me know if you want to know how to make it, and we'll do a video. All right, bye.